playing Thomas the Tank Engine EXE the tunnel. Watch this if you like scary. If you don't like scary, then stop watching this video. Okay, let's start. Whoa! At least I'm not scary. Sorry, I see random things. Is this real? Where is Thomas the Tank Engine? And why is it glitched? Do I need to What? This is so easy. This is so easy. Stop. This is actually can touch. You can actually touch. Huh? This is gonna be a long hallway. Wait. How is there gold admin? Let's see. This floor looking sus right there. I hope I don't touch the floor. Almost touched. Wait, do I respawn? Yeah. Use the wings mile 4. Where is it? Where's Thomas? Where's Thomas the Tank Engine? Where's Thomas the Tank Engine? What the heck? Why is he glitching already? Hey, I see Mr. Laggy. Then I shall use call hack mean for no. Yeah. I already played this game, and you know when I touch the floor, it's sorry. Yeah. It's so sus. And don't touch the floor, or else you will die. I get it because I touched the lava. Sorry, I will be right back for here. Okay, so we're near, and so that might be a loud sound. So let me turn off my volume. Sorry if it's loud, more loud. There's Thomas. Don't touch him. But if you wanna leave right away, just touch him. Because it said you got hit by Thomas the Tank Engine. Yeah. Is it getting near? Wait, what does that sound? I want to touch it.